In this video, we're going to learn how to rewrite subtraction problems as equivalent addition problems. So you may have noticed at the end of the addition section, we wrote a summary of rules of how we can add two integers that was somewhat simple. And we didn't have a list of similar rules for subtraction because subtraction was a little bit more complicated. So there's a nice result that we're going to use where we can rewrite any subtraction problem as an addition problem, and then we can just use the rules for addition when we're subtracting. So here is our fact. Subtracting an integer from a number, let's highlight this, is the same as adding the integer's opposite to the number. So let's just look at a really simple example of this. 5 minus 3, we know this is 2. This is equivalent to 5 plus negative 3. We can change the subtraction to addition, and here we were subtracting a positive 3. We can instead add the opposite of positive 3, negative 3, and the results are the same. With chips, we would say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positive chips, and we would take away 3 to get 2. Here, we thought of addition as combining, so we would have 5 positive chips and 3 negative chips. And notice 3 of the positive chips would cancel, just like 3 of the positive chips were taken away here, and both give us a result of 2. Okay? And the nice fact is this is true in general. So we're going to practice rewriting a couple of problems, subtraction problems, as equivalent addition problems, and then use the number line to find the result. So let's read the directions. Rewrite the subtraction problems as equivalent addition problems. They need to be equivalent. We're not just changing subtraction signs to addition. We need to change it to addition of the opposite of the second number. Then use a number line to compute the result. So the first number stays the same. Now we're going to change subtraction to addition, and we are going to find the opposite, or add the opposite of 7. So 4 minus 7 is equivalent to adding the opposite of 7, which is negative 7. So 4 plus negative 7 is equivalent to 4 minus 7. Now let's use the number line like we did with addition before. Start at 0. This is, actually let's use the right colors. So we're going to go from 0 to positive 4. So this is positive 4. And then we're going to move negative 7 from 4. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So from here, we move negative 7, which takes us to negative 3. So 4 plus negative 7 equals negative 3. Therefore, 4 minus 7 also equals negative 3. Let's look at the next one. And this is one where it really is a lot easier to write it as addition. So 6 minus negative 2, well, rewritten as addition, we have change subtraction. First number stays the same, change subtraction to addition. Now take the opposite of negative 2. Well, the opposite of negative 2 is positive 2. So 6 minus negative 2 is equivalent to 6 plus 2. And we know 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay? But we're still going to use the number line to do this. So we'll start at 0. Go 6 in the positive direction. So this is plus 6. And from 6, add on 2 more. And we are at positive 8. So 6 plus 2 equals 8. And equivalently, 6 minus negative 2 also equals positive 8.